What if the first 5 minutes after you wake up could completely change how you spend the rest of your day? Most people wake up and immediately grab their phone. Notifications, messages, and endless scrolling take over before the day even begins. But instead, try these 5 simple steps. Step 1. Practice gratitude. Spend 1 minute thinking of 3 things you're grateful for: your family, your health, or simply having another day to improve. Step 2. Drink water. Drink a glass of water and take a few deep breaths. Wake your body up and start fresh. Step 3. Read 1 page. Pick a book that helps you learn or grow and read just 1 page. 1 page might seem insignificant, but small actions repeated every day can compound into something much bigger. Step 4. Say an affirmation. Choose one positive sentence and say it out loud. Try, "I can handle whatever today brings," or "I will keep going, even when it's difficult." Start the day by motivating yourself instead of waiting for someone else to do it. Step 5. Choose one goal. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I must accomplish today? Write it down and take the first small step. That's it. 5 minutes. No complicated habits, no waking up at 4 a.m., just 5 minutes of gratitude, growth, and intention. Because the way you start your morning can influence the way you spend your entire day. So tomorrow, before you touch your phone, give those first 5 minutes to yourself.